back to another video. You're getting pretty spoilt for choice. There's a couple of videos come out in the last couple of days. Here's another one. So anyway, sit back, relax and enjoy. Today we're heading out in the cars and we're going to go to a little meet. Let's kick it off. Yeah. You bastard.
Give her a spin, Nick.
Give her a spin?
Yeah.
Look at that. That is what you want.
We run this fucking servo.
That nice little hole there. That bloke there stabbed my radiator. Snapped some fins off because he doesn't like me. It's your problem, buddy. Now we're stuck. Hole in the radiator.
Got a lightweight reduction, mate.
We're just risking it. We've just managed to almost make it all the way home. We changed locations, so we're going to the pub. And the car didn't overheat. Lucky. This bloke here.
Fucked.
Look at this. Look at that.
How good?
What have you done to it, mate? You've ruined it.
Just
The beast is bleeding.
Shall I get it?
You've done such a good job.
Oh, not yet. Pointing it at me. You're a fuck.
This guy stabs radiators. Watch out for him.
Stab using this.
Oh, looks pretty good. The only thing that does is scrubs a little bit. Just here where the inner guard bolts on. But I've just jacked it up enough so it's sort of...
The coilovers help.
Yep.
Give you a bit more extra room in there.
It feels so good to drive with. The coilovers in the rear and the
I
front.
want to get mine done too. What brakes you got on there?
That guy stabbed my radiator. That guy right there. Alright, light it up. Still burn out. The skid. Ooh. Bit of coolant there, a little bit.
Just a little bit.
We'll check it out. So basically what happened today was clutch fan snapped and Justin decided to cut one of the other fins off to balance the clutch fan out just so we could use it for the day, and slipped and stabbed the radiator. Let's go inside and have a look at the damage. Basically what's happened is one of the fins is snapped off. Yeah, it was the other one. Let's skip it over to the other one. So that one's just snapped off, let go. And I could feel a bit of a funny wobble. I was like, what's going on? Pulled over, had a look, seen the fan was snapped in half, basically. So we decided we'll try and balance the fan out and we'll cut the other one off. We were only doing this to get us through the day. Obviously, I'm going to replace this. So that's the whole reason why I wanted to cut it. Try and see if we could enjoy the day, but it didn't really go to plan, which unfortunately led to the hole in the radiator. Right there, which is not too good at all. Well, the TD is finally on the road. The big rig.
I seem to be annoying all videos.
Mate, this ain't your rig. This is not your rig, mate.
Yeah, I bought this the other day.
Did ya?
Yeah, nah.
This is Ryan's beast. The big TD. She's all regoed on the road. Let's have a little walk around. Still hasn't finished the tray yet. Not bad.
Not bad, good size.
Not bad. Here he is. He's the man.
Not bad, not bad.
So you finally got it on the road, mate.
Finally.
And what's
Am I
happened?
moving this?
You finally got it on the road. And
Oh, it's bleeding a little bit. We have a flipped gasket.
Oh,
Not the gasket.
it's all the boost, mate. Too
Not
much
the
boost.
fucking gasket.
Not the gasket.
Yeah, see the way you can put that right in there? I'm not even touching gasket. Though.
Oh, yeah, lovely. That's what you want.
Maybe I have to loosen these two as well.
This on?
Yeah. I'm trying like hook the gasket out.
Snap on, mate. I'm rich.
Did you get that on finance?
Still paying it off.
Still paying it off. Got that 4 years ago.
More
How
than
much
that.
was it? $600.
8 years ago.
8 years ago. And you're still an apprentice.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I get paid $13 an hour, mate.
That's better than me. I do work experience.
I work for free.
Do it for the passion.
Yeah.
Passion fingers.
What do you reckon of the big rig, mate?
Oh yeah, she's alright.
Not bad?
Not bad.
Not too bad.
Let's move you. Since we're fucking around.
What
the
is that?
rock
Man, this is what builds patrols, VB.
tower. Look at that mullet you just grown.
She likes
Don't
it.
put your fucking
Yeah.
camera there. Hey, just about to start. What's that? Twang.
I put it in third, so it's a quick death. Don't want it rolling over me slowly.
Thanks for tuning in once again, guys, and watching that video. Unfortunately, today we had a bit of problems. We had the hole in the radio and the clutch fan decided to explode, sort of, something along those lines. But these things happen and you can't really do anything about it. You just got to laugh it off and enjoy the day. But anyway, thanks for tuning in once again and watching another episode. I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.